Prank him, John.
You already know.
Prank him, John.
You already know.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Right here. Can you get her in there, please? Out of my car now.
I don't know where I am.
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where-
Get in there.
Where-
Get out now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
I'm asking you, where is my destination?
Out of my car now.
It said 7. It said 17.
Get my car now.
Sir, it's no right to.
Get my car at the hospital now.
Why you're.
Because you won't get out of my car.
But I don't know where I am.
Get
Very-
out right now.
You
Get
are very-
out of my car. Get out.
You're not to yell at
No.
me. Yell at me.
No.
Yell at me.
No.
You face. You have no right to scream at me.
I will talk to you any you I want.
Where am I? Where am I?
You're at my car. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said 7.
Get out of my